Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeover. So today we are going to be tying a normal bridal gele. So this is me trying to show you how big the gele is. This is a normal Nigerian bridal size, like the 90 inches long, and also the width, the length. Yes, that's for the length, 90 inches, while the width is 4 wraps of ashoke. So, guys, looking at this, I'm going to be placing it from the back of her head. It's more like a 50-50, but I wanted to do 50-50, but realize it's not 50-50. This is more like a 60-40 ratio. So I asked my model to face the other side, and I asked her to hold down the other part of the turban, the Ashoke, sorry. So after she held it on her hand, like it was the other hand though, the one I was not holding, sorry. This other one I'm holding, I'm trying to pleat it down. If she was not holding it down for me, it's going to be slipping off. So I asked her to hold it and use her other hand to press the her ear area. So for this, if you have this, you can also, if you're tying this, you can remove her earrings. I don't know why I did not remove her earring, but maybe it was due to the fact that we are in a rush and all of that. So I'm going to be asking my student to hold it for me because I want it to be very firm. If my model's hand is going to read it, of course you can ask your model to hold it for you, but it's from the back. So I asked somebody extra to just hold it for me. Then I'm going to pleat the other side too. I'm just trying to be creative here, guys. So, if you're just joining us here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. You guys are watching my videos, but you're not liking. I don't know why. Is it because I've been absent? Okay, guys. So please don't forget to turn on your notification bell just to get notified whenever you're watching my videos, of course. Okay, so I'm going to be twisting this part. I already asked my model to hold on to the other side. So as you can see, it's not very firm. So sorry, my student to hold the other side, and I told her to my model to press this other twist that I'm twisting. So I'm just going to make sure I secure the other part of the gele too, bringing it down to the side of her ear like this and ask her to hold on to it. This is what I was supposed to do since asking her to hold on to it, but no, I asked my student to do that because I want the firmness of the gele to be, I want it to be very firm. So I'm going to go above that other one I asked her to press. The twist is going to go above it and above it. Okay, and then I'm going to twist it to the top. This is the first style of the gele. Sorry, I did not mention that since from the beginning. This gele is going to be two types. If you're the person that likes big turban and you want it to be all over the place, this is the style for you. But after this one, I'm going to show you how to make it look smaller so that you'll be comfortable whether you are tying it for somebody who likes big one or small. You don't need to change the style, just a little bit of changes. So I'm going to secure this part of the turban, the twisted one, the one I twisted from under. That's the 60 part of the turban. I twisted it and bring it down from under the back of her head, then bring it to the top. Brought it, raise it up to the top. So I'm going to secure the pin and also open the remaining part of the turban like this. So it's going to give me this fun flowery something. Can you see? It even looks like it's like a neat, or let me say, it looks like ah, I don't even understand what to say. Just place it wherever I want to place it. So the remaining part of the gele, I'm going to twist that one too and then tuck it in at the back. Then raise it up like this so that you guys will see how it looks. I'm going to add it together to the other fan or the other ruffled part. Then push the gele to the back. Guys, this is the, like, this is almost finished, but I'm going to secure that at the back. I'm going to show you the back of the gele. Don't stop watching yet. I'll show you the back of the gele so that you see how it looks. So this is it. Then I'm going to push it back a little bit more because you want the neatness of the gele to come out very well. Then I'm going to hold on to the remaining parts. I'll use my pin to just secure all of that, and it's going to be looking very beautiful, guys. So I'm just securing this gele. My student were behind telling me, and said this, I just put it down, just put it. I was like, no, this is another conventional gele. Somebody will love this style. See how beautiful this looks, guys. So after securing the gele, I'm going to be showing you the finished part. I'll just push it back a little bit so that you guys will see how beautiful it looks. She's already smiling. Actually, this is a class I took for my students, and at the same time, we are doing a class showing them how to tie this gele and also shooting a video for you guys too. So this is the final look. You want to make sure every part of your gele looks neat and nice. So I'm going to be pushing that back. So see how beautiful this looks. And voila, this is the final look of the gele. I'm going to show you the back. It's not time yet, but see how cute this looks. So looking at this from her side, from the side, see how beautiful this looks. Do you guys, you like this gele? If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, guys. Please share my video. And also comment if you like this. Please comment. Let's engage with each other. Tell me what you want to see. You can tag me on other videos and tell me to tie a gele for you. So next, I'm going to, if you don't like big gele, I'll just twist this one back in and just pin it down. Voila, we are done. Don't look at me and see I'm putting a pin in my mouth. No, I just kept it there because it was the one I removed from her head. So if you are a person that doesn't like big something big like this, you can just transform the gilly to look like this. So guys, see how beautiful this looks. Aww. I really love this gilly. I was looking at this video and I was like, let me tie this thing. So guys, I'm so proud of myself. Of course, I am happy I did this and this is how it looks. I'm going to ask her to turn back now. So see how beautiful the gele is looking. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're just joining us here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and all of that. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. On flight today, I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way.